Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? This is AV, and I'm back again with it's supposed to be a weekly vlog. It's turned into a monthly vlog detailing everything that I've done: art, adventures, workshops, and Zine Fest, street festivals. This past month, I was able to teach workshops at the South Berkeley Public Library. I did a zine workshop around making collage zines, which was amazing. The attendees are always so gracious and have a good time. And actually, I learn more than they do. It's always pretty well attended. It's a small library, a small branch. And so it's really great to have anyone show up, quite frankly. But it's a labor of love. I'm so excited to do it. I did lose a dear friend, mentor, amazing person and artist, Raymond Saunders. So shout out to Raymond. I love you, dude. And I got into quite a bit of art making myself in my downtime. Had some good time with the family. My sister-in-law visited from Atlanta. Went out to dinner with the fam bam. That was a fun time. I also spent quite a bit of time prepping for the South Berkeley Library Zine Fest. Also got into the gym, had some good workouts, and tried to eat a lot better, made some more healthy choices, healthier meals. And I'm not going to lie, I was super grateful that the Berkeley Library invited me to collaborate with them on this first ever Zine Fest at the South Berkeley Public Library. So Oakland Creates was a collaborator with this fest, and I was so happy to promote the fest, do all the marketing materials, create a poster, flyer, and really just showcase all the wonderful talent in the East Bay. And I was also able to work on a couple of new zines of my own. I was able to convert an online zine into a printed one, make some new tie-dye, some bleach tie-dye. Just really, I'm a bit of a workaholic, so I was able to make some tie-dye t-shirts and a couple of zines and prep for another zine workshop. This time, draw yourself as a superhero.
Some people think I'm a white person, but I'm actually Mexican.
So this is my VA book. I'm an educator, and
This workshop was also well attended and had such a good time. So many young people. That was a wrap on the workshops, and the Berkeley Library Zine Fest was that next weekend. Organizing art pop-ups, Zine Fest, and any creative events is really what it's all about, pushing artists forward that might not otherwise get a chance to share their work, especially young, queer, Black women, indigenous, or disabled artists. That's really a passion of mine, and this fest was really a labor of love, but just amazing opportunity to share space with so many great people. And again, shout out to the South Berkeley Library for giving me the opportunity and organizing, and just all the great volunteers and community that came out to support. Thank you so much. I'm super grateful to be doing this type of work. Art making is super fun, but we do it in such our silo, our own individual spaces that it's always a blast to get out and chat and spend time with other art makers. And because I'm a crazy person, I was also prepping for San Francisco Zine Fest, which was the following weekend, I believe. So I was making more bleach tie-dye t-shirts and ice tie-dyeing t-shirts. Always love to get outside in my garden and do ice tie-dye. It's really fun. It's something new and creative. It was also a good time for my niece to come out and from Atlanta and spend time with me, reconnect with her cousin, and accompany me to San Francisco Zine Fest, hang out, and kind of check out what I do. And big ups to Zach, my homie. He gave us a ride to the fest so we wouldn't have to drive ourselves. It's the first time, honestly, this is the first time in 10 years, because I've been an organizer for 10 years, that I am no longer organizing, and I was able to have my own table. So that was exciting. I would be a part of the horror panel as well. Shout out to San Francisco Zine Fest for inviting me to do that. And thank you so much to the organizers. San Francisco Zine Fest is a huge event, and it gets about 4,000 attendees. So it's a huge, big deal. Lots of hard work. So thank you so much, San Francisco Zine Fest organizers, volunteers, everybody that makes it happen. Again, I know what it is on the other side of the table to do that. It's a lot of work. And shout out to everybody who came by to say hi and buy something and just chat. And it was just a fun event. I appreciate the great response to my art and tie-dye. It was also really nice to spend time with my niece and let her see what I do. We reminisced about her dad, who's my brother, but then she had to go back to Atlanta. It's sad to see her go. Jump back into the gym and meal prep, making flyers for the upcoming Oakland Creates, and then also spend time with a good homie, Scott. Love you to life, big bro. And then it was right back into comics and zine prep for the next Zine Fest, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and share. Make sure to subscribe. You are amazing. Stay tuned for more art adventures, more fun. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.